We are talking about surviving the narcissist, and let's focus on your heart knows the truth. I'm Sue, your personal transformation coach. For too long, your heart has been silenced by fear. The fear of being alone, the fear of doing things not right, the fear of the eruptions that could happen within the relationship. And it kept you quiet, and it kept you that you remained compliant. Yet, always, your heart has been there waiting patiently for you to hear it, because it has got a very soft voice, a very kind, gentle voice, and it's been waiting for you to hear it and to move forward from there. Deep down, you have always known that something is wrong, that this is not the way it should be. In how many of your tears have you said, when is it my time? When will things be different for me? When can I have peace? You've asked those questions. Yet, when that little voice started speaking up, you would shh, go away. I don't want to hear you because I'm fighting for my survival here. Yet, that little voice is the voice you should have listened to. And this is not to blame. This is not to guilt trip you. I understand you did it from a place of fear, and that's okay. Now you know different, and now you can do different. The one you should have shushed was the fear. In my life, even today, when I want to take on big tasks and I can feel the fear or the doubt or whatever creeping in, and I can hear how my mind starts racing, I actually speak to myself and I say, shh, fear, go sit in the corner there. I'll call you when I'm ready. Just go and wait there for me. I've got something I need to do quickly. And it's actually quite amazing how suddenly there will just be some quietness that come over me and I can focus, and fear will start creeping in again and I will tell it to go shh into the corner. If that's what it takes for you to move beyond the fear, do that. You have got to apply in your life what works for you, what serves you, what will bring love and peace to you, because you've got to give that to yourself. You are so much bigger than this fear. And the fear should actually have fear for you, because you are amazing. You are loving. You are kind. You are gentle. You've got so much in you that you can give and share. And it's now your time to stand up. Listen to your heart so that you can be honest to you. When we align our actions with what our heart says, we have peace. It just comes over us. Now we are truthful to us. So when your soft heart voice starts speaking to you, learn to trust it. Trust it. It's that intuition we have. It's just that little voice that speaks up and says, oh, I don't know. Oh, yes, I like that. I want to go for it. Begin to trust it. It will really guide you on the right way. And yes, sometimes that way that it's guiding you towards might seem scary, but it's only because you've got to discover your amazingness, your greatness, who you are. That's why it is scary initially, because you don't really know yourself. You don't know what you're capable of, able to do, and you can achieve everything you desire in your life. Listen to that heart voice, that tiny soft voice. It will never shout at you. The ego will shout. It will always take you on the path that will work out best for you. Begin to trust it. Sometimes when I go into meditation, I will actually just sit and listen to my heartbeat. And I know that I'm alive. I know that I have purpose here. I know that I'm sending a signal out that says, here I am, and I will just sit and listen to my heart. Do that for yourself. Reconnect with yourself. And there is such an amazing life waiting for you to create and to discover. I wish you best as you move on to this path. Master your beliefs. You will master your future. Be kind to yourself in this process, and we will chat soon.